morning, student. Our today's topic is Mahmud of Ghazni. Here, I made some notes for you that you can easily understand. So, first one, Mahmud of Ghazni was the first Turkish invader who invaded on India at least 17 times during the period of 25 years 1001 to 1025 AD, and in this period he was the ruler of Ghazni also. So when he was ruler of Ghazni, he adorned his capital Ghazni with many beautiful buildings, including a university, beautiful mosque, a museum, a library, etc. As well as consequently, Ghazni became the most beautiful city in the world only because of Mahmud of Ghazni. So, Mahmud of Ghazni carried out 17 raids on India, and he attacked on India mainly to accumulate wealth. Means his purpose was only to plunder enormous wealth from India, because he had idea about the weak political conditions of India, because that time many small states established in India and they started to fighting with each other, and because of this weak political condition, Mahmud of Ghazni came here to plunder the enormous wealth, but he did not face any tough resistance from India, and he carried out 17 attacks on India, one after the other, from AD 1001 to 1025, and his main attack were directed against the ruler of Punjab, Kangra, Thansir, Mathura, Kannauj, and Kalinjar, etc. He even attacked Somnath temple, and Somnath temple were in Kathiawar, and he attacked there only to plunder its enormous wealth. Undoubtedly, now we are studying about Mahmud of Ghazni. So, Mahmud of Ghazni was one of the greatest conqueror of India, and he was a great military leader also, because he never suffered a defeat. He was also a great patron of art and literature. Then he was most fond of art and literature, and that's why he also patronized scholars also, and these like Al-Biruni and Fardowsi. Later on, he wrote the great epic named Shahnameh. Okay, he wrote great epic and named Shahnameh. So, but Mahmud of Ghazni failed as the founder of Muslim Empire in India. At first Mahmud of Ghazni attacked on India 17 times. In spite of this, Mahmud failed as the founder of Muslim Empire in India, because permanent conquest of India was not his aim. His aim was only to plunder enormous wealth from India. As such, his invasions did not produce any significant result. Therefore, he is not regarded as the founder of the Muslim Empire in India. But he annexed Punjab to his empire, which opened the road for future invasions into India. He opened the road for future inventions into India, and that's why after Mahmud of Ghazni, many foreigner invaded on India. See one more time about Mahmud of Ghazni. So Mahmud of Ghazni was the first Turkish invader, and he was the ruler of Ghazni in period of 1001 to 1025 AD. In this period, he attacked on India at least 17 times, and his purpose was behind this attack. His purpose was to accumulate wealth means to plunder enormous wealth from India. After that, he was the one of the greatest conqueror in the world, as well as he was a great military leader because he never suffered a defeat. As well as he was a great patron of art and literature. Then his capital was Ghazni, and his Ghazni with many beautiful buildings, including university, beautiful mosque, museum, a library, and consequently, Ghazni became the most beautiful city in the world because only of the Mahmud of Ghazni. Then he patronized scholars also, and among them there were Albrain Al-Biruni and Fardowsi. See one more time, he also patronized scholars like Al-Biruni and Fardowsi. After that, he wrote the great epic Shahnama, and he opened the road for future inventions into India. And after Mahmud of Ghazni, many foreigner invaded on India.